Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. The only person with whom you have to compare yourself is you in the past. Out of your vulnerabilities will come your strength. Love and work are the cornerstones of our humanness. If youth knew, if age could. From error to error, one discovers the entire truth. We are what we are because we have been what we have been. Public self is a conditioned construct of the inner psychological self. In the small matters, trust the mind. In the large ones, the heart. The mind is like an iceberg. It floats with 1/7 of its bulk above water. Unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried alive and will come forth later in uglier ways. Thought is action in rehearsal. Dreams are the royal road to the unconscious. A woman should soften but not weaken a man. Love and work, work and love, that is all there is. When one does not have what one wants, one must want what one has. A man who has been the indisputable favorite of his mother keeps for life the feeling of a conqueror. In matters of sexuality, we are at present, every one of us, ill or well, nothing but hypocrites. Smoking is indispensable if one has nothing to kiss. The unconscious of one human being can react upon that of another without passing through the conscious. When a love relationship is at its height, there is no room left for any interest in the environment. A pair of lovers are sufficient to themselves. Friendship is an art of keeping distance, while love is an art of intimacy. The more perfect a person is on the outside, the more demons they have on the inside. The virtuous man contents himself with dreaming that which the wicked man does in actual life. One day, in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. The more the fruits of knowledge become accessible to men, the more widespread is the decline of religious belief. Everywhere I go, I find a poet has been there before me. Civilization began the first time an angry person cast a word instead of a rock. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome.